Overcoming Adjective Addiction. Banish overused adjectives and adverbs. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to tackle a topic that can truly transform your writing and elevate it to new heights. We're focusing on identifying overused adjectives and adverbs. Remember, variety is the spice of life and language is no different. So let's dive into how we can spice up our language usage. Before we jump in, let's do a quick refresher. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making our language more descriptive. For instance, colorful, gloomy, delicious. Adverbs, on the other hand, modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They often tell how, when, where, or to what extent something was done. Examples are quickly, very, well. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What counts as an overused adjective or adverb? Words like good, bad, very, really, are frequently overused. They're easy and convenient, but they don't paint a clear or engaging picture in the reader's mind. Our goal is to identify these words and replace them with more descriptive and engaging alternatives. Once we've identified these overused words, what do? We replace them. For example, instead of saying, very good, you could say, excellent. Or, instead of saying, really bad, say, dreadful. These more descriptive words give your audience a better understanding of what you're trying to convey. They also keep your reader's attention as they're more engaging. The best way to learn is by practicing. Here's an exercise for you. Take a paragraph from a book, an article, or a piece of your own writing. Identify all the adjectives and adverbs. Are any of them overused words? How can you replace them with more descriptive alternatives? This exercise is a fantastic way to sharpen your ability to spot and replace overused adjectives and adverbs. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, the key to mastering the English language, or any language, is practice. So keep identifying those overused adjectives and adverbs, and before you know it, your language usage will be as rich and varied as a best-selling novel. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring the endless beauty of language.